Hey guys, Ben on Silver here. I'm going to go ahead and do a product unboxing. I bought a smelting furnace to replace my whip, something I said I'd never do. However, the whip only allows you to melt so much, so that's why one of the reasons why I've invested into a melting furnace. The second reason is because I have a 4-year-old kid who loves to be doing everything I'm doing, so I don't want him around an open flame. And the third thing is I can just pour more silver, right? Okay, so I bought the Toauto 2nd generation smelting furnace, and let's open it up. Alright, got some gloves, power supply, tongs. Let's see. This is a 5 kilogram crucible. And this is the 3 kilogram. Comes with a graphite mold, so everything you need to get started other than the silver. And now here we go. This is the Toauto generation number 2 smelting furnace. Alright guys, so I have the furnace set up. Here's the crucible I'm going to be using. Over here is some silver I'm going to melt. I'm going to choose this Scottsdale silver 10 ounce, and I like how it just fits right in. So I'm going to put that in right there. There's some borax in that sucker. Close it up. And there we go. Well, let's see what happens. Okay. Alright, first time you, first time me. See what we got going on here. Okay. Let's see. Took 51 minutes. Not too jazzy about that. It was 10 ounces. I don't know what that sound was. First time you, first time me. First time you, first time me. Let's see what we got here. Well, not to the fault of the crucible. My mold was not sufficient, but there you go. It was going to be a cool mold too. But what we're going to do is pretty cool. I couldn't put it in the hole. Alright guys, so this was the very first run of the Toauto second generation smelting furnace. The run was a success. Now I'm not going to go ahead and go as far as recommend it to anyone because there's still a couple of things that I need to work out. Setting the temperature for silver is really simple, and I'm going to show you guys that in another video. Getting the pour down is another thing, because there's a difference between using a whip and then pouring from a crucible that has 10 ounces in it, and then the time it takes for the smelting furnace to melt the 10 ounces was about an hour. So that I'm not used to, and so there's definitely some better planning on my part, and plus all the safety too. I was a little careless, so I want to reiterate, safety is very important when you're pouring silver, especially from a smelting furnace that has potentially up to 10-20 ounces in it, which I don't know what the max is yet. I know I've already done 10 ounces. So that's it. Be looking out for my other videos. We might be doing a giveaway also in July. So leave a comment in the comment section if you're interested in a silver giveaway for July. And most of all, keep it classy. Talk to you guys later.